This free AI app will make you up to $100 within 24 hours. So if you didn't make money in 2023 yet, then you must watch this video. In my previous videos, I talked about ChatGPT, but ChatGPT will not make you money, it will only help you to make money online. So I found 3 apps that will actually make you money. So if you are tech geek, then you must use these apps to make money because you will be helping big companies to develop new technologies. And you have to do simple tasks, like drawing boxes around objects or highlighting words. And here you can see sample of the tasks that you will have to do. And these apps are available worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can make money with these 3 apps. And payments are made directly to your PayPal or Payoneer account. First free AI app that will make you money is called Gengo. Gengo is hiring professional translators. And they have more than 65,000 customers, which means this is a trusted company. Here you can see they are working with some really big companies. Here you can see some of the informations, and here you can see in what categories they are actually making translations. E-commerce, travel, media, mobile and video, marketing, technology and software, business and legal. And here you can see how this actually works, and here you can see how much money customers are actually paying for each translation. For example, from English to Spanish language. But I told you that we are actually going to help develop technologies. So what you actually wish to do, you wish to go here on this page and become an AI contributor. And here you can see what AI contributors do. Here you can see you will actually help companies develop self-driving cars, virtual assistants, chatbots and other technologies, and you will help scientists to get the data. Here you can see what kind of things you will actually have to do. You will simply need to draw boxes around certain objects, or you will simply need to highlight certain words in order to help scientists to develop chatbots, to develop self-driving cars and stuff like that. And here you can see how this actually works. Flexible schedule, competitive rates, get paid on time. And here you can see payments are made twice per month, and here this is really important. We are never late. So this company is owned by Lionbridge. Lionbridge exists for a long time, and this is a trusted company, so you will get paid for the work that you do. And here you can see how this actually works. Sign up, join a project, complete a task and received a payment. And payments are made through PayPal and Payoneer. So what you need to do, you need to scroll here and you need to click here on sign up now to become a contributor. And what you need to do, you actually need to choose here translator. So let me just close this. You need to choose a translator. You are not a customer. You do not wish to order service. You are a translator, you need to add your email, your password, agree to the terms of condition, create account, confirm your email, and you will come back here and you can start contributing to this software to develop new technologies by drawing boxes around objects or highlighting words. And to be honest with you, with this app, you probably won't make that much money, you will just make a few dollars. So you need to use the next AI app to make more money. Now, second AI app that will help you to make money online is Tolo. Here you can see get paid to make impact. Do micro tasks that support the new AI product and research. And when you scroll here you can see all the kind of tasks that you will have to do. Just like on Gengo, you will have to draw boxes around objects to help develop self-driving cars. You will also need to recognize objects on the image, you will need to compare images, you will need to evaluate search results and stuff like that. And here you can see simple tasks, you will have to do simple tasks, convenience, fast payments. That is really important for everybody. Choose your preferred withdrawal method and get your earnings quickly and easily. Mobile app, you will actually need to install this mobile app on your phone. You can find the mobile app on App Store, on Google Play. And here you can see how this actually works. Here you can see all the payments options. Here you can see some testimonials of the people, and here you can see their values. And actually when you scroll back here you can see how much you will be paid for doing simple tasks. You will be paid from just 1 cent per task all the way to 50 cents per task. So what you need to do, you actually need to click here on start earning money. And then here you need to click here on log in as a talker, okay? And here you need to choose, you can log in with your Facebook account, with your Google account, QR code, or with your Twitter account. And as soon as you log in, you will actually be automatically verified and you will be registered on Toloka, and you can go back here and you can start making money by doing this simple task like this, by simply drawing boxes around objects or recognizing objects on the image and helping developing new technologies, helping big companies create better technology for all of us. Now, this company pays better than Gengo, but you will still not make that much money. Third app that I'm going to show you will help you to make most money. Third and best paying app that will help you to make online is Robson AI. Here you can see simple task, fair pay. Here you can see get paid for simple tasks like recording your voice or talking with your friend. You will actually need to download and install their app on your smartphone. You can find their app on Google, on App Store or on Google Play. And here you can see earning is easy. Download the app, fill your profile, complete simple tasks and get paid. And here you can see what kind of tasks you can expect. Read sentences out loud, having a phone conversation with a friend, transcribe audio files, and complete simple surveys. You can complete surveys and make money. Like I said, you will help companies to develop new technologies like self-driving cars or virtual assistants. And here you can see join our global community. Like I said, all three apps are available worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can use these apps to make money online. Here you can see they have a customer support and also they have support for the freelancers. So if you have any questions, you can ask them and they will help you, they will respond on your question. And here you can see more informations, and when you actually scroll back on the top and when you click here, you can see all the available tasks. And like I said, this app is best paying. Here you can see roles on tasks and what you can expect. And here you can see available tasks. Here you can see project requirement 40 words to be recorded. Estimated time to complete just 10 minutes. And you will be rewarded with $4. And you should always read attention. That is important. Always read attention. Here you can see more available tasks. Again, 40 words, 10 minutes to complete, and you will be rewarded with $5 for just 10 minutes of work for just recording 40 words. That simple, that easy. All you need is a smartphone, and that's it. You can make $5 in just 10 minutes. And here you can see no tasks, no worries. They will actually send you an email every time when there is available task for you. So you can always be notified when there are tasks and you can make money with this app. And like I said, to register, all you have to do is just download this app and install it on your smartphone and you will be registered on Robson AI, and you can start using this app to make $5 for recording videos or recording voices on your smartphone. And to make those $100, up to $100 per day, you will actually need to use all three of these apps. And trust me, there will always be available tasks on at least one of these apps, and you can make over time up to $100 per day by using these three free apps to make money online. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.